Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 4G Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can enter all typing features on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System section over here. After that, you need to click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. When you're ready, select Text Collection under Theme, and as you can see, all typing features are here. If you want to turn on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!